Hi there, me Michael here. Different angle, but for some reason it's been lately in the last couple of months / year, been doing more of these. But I've got 2 tins here. We'll see what happens. I know they're a bit out of quote unquote date, but I don't know what's in them. Kind of interesting. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll probably do this one first because yep, no reason for it. As we'll do, and remove that knife away. Yeah. So these are going to be very similar in art-wise on sides. Sure, Mouse Rider, Skeleton, Quaxo. Yep. And the tin's going to have of saying it's a promo card. It's similar to most of these tins. I got these for 22 quid. I know, they're expensive. It was 22 each, mind you. So, firstly, give me a second. Okay, sorry about that. There is a promo. I'm just going to open both tins at once, I realised, just because, you know, time efficient. There's the lid, just in case. I'll pay that later. So, these are the 2 promos. Get them out individually. There's the code card. Put it in a sleeve. There we go. There's like a star pattern on the holographic on the actual Pokemon. It's not that bad health wise, but attack wise, it's not too great. There we go. So there's a holographic on this one. This one's much more of like a starry pattern all over as well. You can see it, there we go. So, sorry if I've got heavy breathing. I've got a bit of a cold, therefore I'm a bit ill. Anyway, let's see what pack comes with it. Looks like it comes with Udian Flames, base set, and a Sword and Shield pack. Guess that's the same for this one. Yeah. So we'll go oldest to youngest, if you will. Sort them out a little bit. Yeah, we'll go this one. So, I do not know much about this set, I will not lie. What I mean by this is the actual thingambob set I'm opening right now. Right, I'm gonna not do any trick just because I'm not quite sure what it is. In this one, I know on the Scarlet and Violet ones it's 1, but I'm not quite sure if this is 4 or 3. So I'm just gonna do this and just see. So, Heracross, Teldrissa, Martine, Scyther, no, Hassian Basculin, going B, and I'm guessing a regular rare Hysen something. 1, 2, 3. It is 4 from the back. Those are the 4 cards there. Still energy. It's good to know. As I say, if I sound a bit off, I am ill, unfortunately. So, woo, fun time for moi. So, 2, 3. This, I don't know what that is, and I've only picked out 3, so I'm just going to do that. And if there's an energy, oh well. What? I don't understand why, but okay. Commando, Knockdown, Undefined Fossil. Sorry, bring it a bit closer. Hizulian Sneasel, Mistreaves, Baroach, another Cypher, Eevee, a Illustration Art Hoot Hoot, and regular Registeel. So, that's interesting. I'm not quite sure on things. I'm guessing it's just meant to be like a reverse Hoot Hoot. That's an illustration rare. There we go. Quite nice. They'll probably go in the back of my binder full of, like rares and stuff. Put that there. And have a bit of sorting out. Don't mind me. Sorry, the camera just then. So, 2 packs of base set Scarlet and Violet. Ooh, there we go. First one. Alright. Electric Energy. Fuecoco. Tropisk. Pokeball. Rotom. Ultra Ball. Eparatha. Arvin. Reverse Hollow Capsicid. Reverse Hollow Klifki. And a Hollow Professor Research. Yeah, again, I can't say much about these because I'm half trying to go through a little bit quickly because I've got more than normal. And the last time I did one of just one tin, it took me 14 minutes. So, trying to go a little bit faster. Not by much. Just a tad. Fire Energy. Rotom. Chansey. Rare Candy. I would have thought that's a normal type. I don't know. But Fido. Rident. Vilvin. Dashbunt. Got the full evolution. Reverse Hollow Skidoo. An illustration rare Slowpoke. And a Hollow Alipite. So that's the second illustration rare. Hopefully we do get an EX other than just 2 promos. In one of these Obsidian Flames as a reader. There you go. Ooh. There we go. Some people probably know if there's a good card or not just by the code card. I have no idea. But hey ho. Water Energy. Tadpole. Normal. Malive. Totodemaru. Dartrix. Oinslin. Snazzle. A reverse Letter of Encouragement. A reverse Cryogel. And a Hollow Skizzle. There you go, just show that hollow. I will go over everything we do pull, like special wise, at the end of the video. But from what I know, we may have already done everything. Won't know until we do it. So, here we go. Fire Energy, Lycan, Fongoose, Nosepass, Litwick, Charmeleon, Excadrill, Pidgeotto, reverse Ruzel, reverse Bilroot, and a holo Hentai. Not hentai, that's different. NT. Bugger it, it's NT. Okay. 2 more packs equals 2 more chances. Like that. Right, I'm going to slow these 2 down. Fire Energy, Graveguard, Phantom, Yanamo, Vulpix, Armadudge, Amongoose, Senito. I can't pronounce these names for some reason. Sinistea, a illustration rare Lechonk, and another holo Sizzle. I keep on getting lucky with the illustration rares, but I was hoping for a bit more out of this last pack. But there you go. Like normal, I'm going in with very little knowledge, so who knows. So this is the last pack. And again, sorry for sniffling. Just got a cold, unfortunately. Nope. Water Energy, normal, Graveguard, Phantom, I swear this is a repeat, Tanamo, Paladin Crosser, Randball, Malamar, Fungoose, Greta, and a holo Darkrai. So, no EXs, unfortunately, but we did get, rest in peace that lid, we did get a illustration rare Lechonk, my brain went blank, an illustration rare Slowpoke, an illustration rare Hoot Hoot, and the 2 promos of the tins. So, let me know down below what your favourite pull was, and hey, maybe, just maybe, we'll get better odds next time. See you in the next one. Bye bye.